What's up, machine freaks? You're watching another 3D Machines production. Last night I went out and I made a mess of Jake's yard. I did that on complete accident. I am! He says go to the field. What's up, machine freaks? You're watching another 3D Machines production. We're on the Honda. Jesus, it's squirrely. Whoa! It's like, yeah, really, really squirrely. I don't know if this is gonna work today.
I wanted to let all you machine freaks know 3D Machines hoodies and shirts are now available. The link is in the description.
First tip, I'm gonna make a video that just says Goon. It's gonna be 1 minute. It's gonna be this right here. I got my fucking orange gloves on. Look at that.
Today's riding plan is to be as goony as possible. I'm not sure if the CRF is too appreciative about this riding. I'm getting an absolute kick out of Jake and Kyle S right about now.
It's gonna look awesome. Yeah, it is.
Where's Seth at?
I don't know.
You lost it. I don't even have gloves on. What the frick? You got gloves on? I forgot the gloves.
I think he's way back there.
That forward, car
Dude, we were fishtailing pretty nasty. Yeah, at first you were. I'm like, damn, I wish I got that shot.
That was played shot right outside the wall.
I know you covered my GoPro. This is awesome. I was fucking doing this to try to catch up to you. I'm like fourth gear. I'm like, ah!
I don't know if the weight's helping you or hurting you.
I think it's definitely helping.
It's biting pretty good. We're just squirreling it out. Not running on a dirt bike, two strap passenger.
Oh. What happened? What happened? I stalled out.
That would have been awesome. Right, all time.
Oh.
That was a full go. That girl went up to 4 times. All right, come on, come on.
Come down.
I got a good tire on my bike and I'm still swinging back and forth.
stick. That's sick. It's like 50-something degrees out probably. Yeah. This is stupid.
Those prickers on the left are about to tear Jake's hand wide open. Hashtag rev limiter. Get some with a 450 power. Kyle S has to get off of Jake's bike. I think that bike's a little too heavy for the snow. freaks wanted longer videos, so here you go. I listened. Smash the hell out of that like button if you want part 2. 5,000 likes gets part 2. See you guys later. Until next time, 3D Machines out.
I think I blew her up.